Barb, it's Kenny here. I'm back today, you guys, and I am here to show y'all how I installed this 22-inch full lace wig from, of course, the Barb Life. Y'all, look at that hairline. Look at it. Natural. So I'm going to show y'all how I toned it a little bit and installed it. So if you all are interested, just keep on watching. Like a captive, I want you. Used to pit in my mind life, standing on rainbows, playing it cool. I haven't felt this in ages, and I know no patience. So won't you please stay a bit longer? You're making me stronger, making me stronger. Stay a bit longer. You're making me stronger, making me stronger, So Barbs, you see I've already put the pins up to pin the hair back. I went in with a popsicle stick, but I particularly like to use my finger because I feel like it gets the glue a lot more even, and I feel like it helps your install lay flatter and melt right into the skin. I don't like using my finger though because you have, of course, the cleanup, and I just don't like the stickiness of it. Next, y'all, I like to work in sections. I don't like to put all the glue on at the same time because when you do that, you have limited time to get that bad boy on right, and then you're going to risk it not being laid right, and I just don't like to work under pressure like that. So I just work in sections just so you can be a little bit more detailed in how you're laying your lace.
So
So Barbs, I hope you all enjoyed this video. I absolutely had fun making it, and you guys, it's something different, something new for me because you all haven't seen it. Don't forget to follow me on that social media, and I love you guys and thank y'all for watching. Later.